My wife believes that sleeping in tight clothing doesn't affect her sleep quality. We're going to wear different kinds of pajamas and have a sleep quality competition. We'll let Shuteye be the judge. Whoever snores the most loses.
Easy peasy.
So just simply put the phone next to us and we're good to go. So apparently she not only snored, she even farted 4 times. So, if you've ever wanted to learn more about your sleep cycle, this app can definitely help you. This app can also detect diseases like sleep apnea, Parkinson's, and cardiac risks. So, download Shuteye and start sleeping better today.